Hi, my name is Casey Baker, and this is my Alabama Virtual Library demonstration. I'm going to share with you Pebble Go. This is a resource that I feel like would be very useful for younger elementary students. I teach 4th grade, and I can see where I can use this, but I really like it for students who are just getting into research and the fact that it offers the ability to read to you. So this is the website Pebble Go. It's very kid-friendly as far as not being distracting. It doesn't have a lot of ads or extra buttons. It's broken down into animals and science, but within science it's also broken down and given you some math options with measurement and shapes. With math, it does give you operations and number skills. But then in the sciences, it breaks it down into several different categories, and then within each of those categories, it gives you more categories. And as you heard, it also reads to you each category name when you hover over it. So for weather, it broke it down into several categories of weather, and then even when you look into each one of those options, it breaks it down more specific into what are clouds and types of clouds. So when you click on the topic that you're wanting to look at, it does read the page to you if you click on the sound button, and then each tab is the same way. It gives you another visual and another paragraph with information. So again, I think it's very kid-friendly and non-distracting for those younger students to get sidetracked on pressing other buttons. But then down at the bottom, it quickly gives you 3 options that I think are very useful when learning how to research. The cite button, all you have to do is click on it and it gives you exactly what you need to cite your source for this topic. You can print your articles or images, and then it gives you several activities. So you can do a share what you know worksheet. Teachers can print an activity to do inside the classroom, which gives you a lesson plan and the materials that you would need. Also, it gives you a worksheet for checking your understanding that would be great to print off for students to answer as they are looking up each topic. This site also offers media, so you can look at videos and watch videos. And then also a cool feature of this site I thought was very interesting. If students don't know what they want to research, or you just want to randomly give them a topic to look up, they can click the random article button next to the search bar, and it will quickly give them a topic that they can research. So I thought this site was very interesting and very useful for younger students. The reading aspect, the easy maneuvering aspect, and then just quickly being able to give you a few options that they can do down at the bottom with the media and the activities. So this is Pebble Go. I hope you enjoyed.